Dehorning is removal of horn. So removal of horn. Why you need to remove removal of horn? Because most of the time maybe it is aesthetic purpose, and secondly it may be for the to make the animal less dangerous. Because by the horn the animal can fight or animal can hurt you. That's why we need to uh, remove the horn. And second important thing is that the fracture of horn, accidentally horn may be fractured. In that case you have to cut the horn. So why we need to do dehorning? There are different purpose. One is aesthetic purpose. Secondly, make the animal less dangerous docile. And another is surgical case. If the horn is fractured, breakdown. For example, this horn is breakdown in the middle. You can't keep it like that. Then you have to cut the horn in the root. So that is the thing. But the cutting the horn or its technique is actually it will be explained in the surgery. But our topic is that the anatomical consideration. Okay, so this is the horn. Actually it is actually a horn. This is called actually a horn. We say keratin tissue is called actually horn. Horny tissue or keratin tissue. It is actually a horn. But this is actually not horn. This is actually bone. This is the bone. This is the bone, frontal process. This is the frontal bone, and this is called frontal process of cornual bone. Cornual process of frontal bone. Sorry, cornual process of frontal bone. This is called cornual process of frontal bone. Actually, this is the frontal bone, and it has a process extension. This is called cornual process of frontal bone, and it is covered by keratin tissue. This is our keratin tissue. Nail is keratin tissue. Hair is keratin tissue. Actually, this is horn is nothing but a keratin tissue, and it covers the cornual process of frontal bone. এই দুটো মিলেই হর্ন আসে। এই বোন এবং এই হর্নি টিস্যু এই দুটো মিলেই বলা হয় আমরা হর্ন ধরা হয়। কিন্তু আসলে হর্নি টিস্যু কিন্তু এটাকে বলা হয়, কেরাটিন টিস্যুটাকে আমরা হর্নি টিস্যু বলি। হুপ, হর্ন, all are the keratin tissue. This is the keratin tissue and this is the bone. Together we call horn. এই দুটো মিলেই আমরা হর্ন ধরা হয়। ক্লিয়ার? এই বোনটাও থাকতে হবে আর এই কেরাটিন টিস্যুটাও থাকতে হবে। এখন we should know the nerve supply of the cornual process or horn. Nerve supply of the horn. The horn is supplied by cornual nerve. Horn, cornual means horn. Horn is supplied by cornual nerve, and it is the actually branch of zygomatico-temporal nerve. Zygomatico-temporal nerve. Zygomatico-temporal nerve is the branch of ophthalmic nerve. And ophthalmic nerve is the branch of trigeminal nerve. Trigeminal nerve তিনটে ব্রাঞ্চ আছে না, কি কি? ophthalmic, mandibular and maxillary. Mandibular and maxillary. Ophthalmic has a branch that is called zygomatico-temporal. Temporal nerve. এই জাইগোমেটিক টেম্পোরাল থেকে আসে কর্নুয়াল নার্ভ। ক্লিয়ার? তাহলে এটা হচ্ছে অবস্থা। বিকজ ট্রাইজেমিনাল, উই নো জেমি means branch or body. Trigeminal is one of the cranial nerve. You know that cranial nerve has 12 pairs. Trigeminal is the biggest cranial nerve. Trigeminal is the biggest cranial nerve, not longest. Vagus is the longest cranial nerve. You know?
Yes, sir.
Vagus nerve, it is the longest cranial nerve. It originates from the brain, and then it goes to the thoracic cavity, abdominal cavity. All the visceral organs is supplied by vagus nerve. That's why vagus nerve is the longest cranial nerve. But trigeminal is not longest. It is the broadest, largest cranial nerve. It has 3 branches. That's why its name is tri. Tri means 3. Trigeminal, 3 branches. One branch will go to eye. Its name is ophthalmic branch. Another branch will go to the mandible. Mandible, it's called mandibular branch. Another is going to the maxillary branch, mandibular branch, and ophthalmic branch. This ophthalmic branch, it has a another branch, ophthalmic branch gives another branch that is called zygomaticotemporal, and from this branch connual nerve originates and it supplies the horn. Clear?
Yes, sir.
That's how we say that horn is supplied by connual nerve. And connual nerve is a branch of zygomaticotemporal nerve. And zygomaticotemporal nerve is a branch of ophthalmic nerve. And ophthalmic nerve is a branch of trigeminal nerve. And trigeminal nerve originates from the brain or lateral side of the middle of lung. Because cranial nerve originates from the brain. But origin of different cranial nerve is different place. Some originate from the frontal side of the brain, some originate from the middle side, some originate from the middle of lung. So all are ultimately originate from the brain. Clear?